HR folks may think unlimited PTO makes FMLA easier because there's no vacation bank to coordinate. You don't have to calculate how much paid leave to substitute during the 12-week FMLA period. Employees just take time as needed. This seems simpler than traditional policies. Here's a problem that's starting to come up quite a bit. And I think it's because of the way that our brain just makes connections with things. When an employee comes to you with some sort of medical issue, maybe they were hospitalized, whatever FMLA qualifying reason there is, I think our brain just puts that in the camp of FMLA. And when we understand that this is FMLA, we also move next to unpaid, right? These are all just logical associations that our brain makes because ordinarily they're right. But here's the problem where they coincide with unlimited PTO policies. Because in unlimited PTO policies, anybody can take time off as long as business needs are generally met and it's approved and they're getting paid for it, right? Regardless of the reason, regardless of all the circumstances that are around it. That time is paid off, right? But it might be used for some completely unrelated reason, maybe something that's not protected by law. It's probably just vacation or just a random day off that somebody wants to take off. So how do you know how to draw the line between when something should be unlimited PTO and when something should be FMLA qualifying? So if I asked you right now that somebody is coming to you with an FMLA qualifying reason, but they're generally responsible with their PTO and they ordinarily would be able to use PTO, why not just pay it, right? That's part of the argument that's starting to bubble up in some lawsuits amongst plaintiffs' lawyers, where it's kind of like, okay, if somebody can take a week off paid to go on vacation under an unlimited PTO policy, why shouldn't they be able to get paid for a week of legally protected leave? If the company supposedly is saying your time off is paid and it's unlimited, why would you treat this differently? If you're catching where I'm going, it's almost setting yourself up for a legal discrimination claim or an FMLA interference claim, whatever the circumstances may be there. And so this interaction between unlimited PTO policies and FMLA, it seems really simple on paper. They're two separate concepts, two different reasons that type of leave is used for. But when you start thinking about it a little bit deeper, you might start asking yourself, well, actually, if we have unlimited PTO, why should FMLA medical leave not be paid, right? And I encourage you to sit on that question for a little bit because honestly, I don't even know the answer. But it is one that can lead to a ton of liability. So give it a thought. Comment PTO below and I'll send you the complete breakdown of all 4 unlimited PTO legal traps in video form.